to calculate the determinant of a matrix. The determinant of a matrix can be used in the real world in order to calculate the area of a triangle on the plane, and we will see how to calculate that later. So, determinant. So we first start from the 2 by 2 matrix, and the A, B, C, D. In order to calculate the determinant of a matrix, you have to make sure that you have a square matrix. That means that you have to have a 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and so on. So the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix can be calculated as when denoted by that and the name of the matrix, so the determinant of A, which is A times D minus B times C. Example is 1, 2, 3, 4 equals that A equals 1 times 4 minus 3 times 2. This is going to be 1 minus 6, and this is going to give us minus 5. So the determinant of this matrix is minus 5. So now we will see how we calculate the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So we have A equals A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix, and at this tutorial we will stop at 3 by 3 determinants, as the other dimensions of determinants are not in your curriculum. So the determinant of matrix A is calculated by taking the first element of the first row, then you have to cover its column and its row, and then you calculate the determinant of these elements here. So you have to cover this row and this column, and you say A times E times C. E times I minus the F times H. F times H. Now to calculate the next element, So next you have to subtract the b from the row and column. So you have to hide the row and the column, and then you take the determinant of d, f, g, I. So d times I, you have to first d times I minus the f times g. And then you have to calculate the next set of determinant, which is c. You have to write you have to add the column and the row and calculate the determinant of d, e, g, h. So plus b times d times h minus e times g. So now we will look at a real world example of determinant, and we will calculate the area of a triangle on the plane using determinant. So I want you to imagine that you have a triangle on the plane. So the first set of coordinates will be 2.1. The next set of coordinates will be 4.4, and the next set of coordinates will be the 2.-3. So this forms this triangle here. Then next we pass our coordinates into a matrix that we will call A. So we have the 2.1, this is the x, this is the y. We have the 2.1. Then we have the 3.4. And here we have the 2.-3. However, this matrix as it is cannot calculate any determinant because it's not a square matrix. At the moment we have a 3x2 matrix. We have to make it a 3x3 matrix. So we add in that column 1, 1, 1 in order to make it a 3x3 matrix and enable the calculation of determinant. Now we get to calculate the determinant, which is written as 2 times 4 times 1 minus the 1 times -3. Then we have to subtract 1 minus 1 times 2. And then we have to add 1 times 3 times minus 3, and then minus 4 times 2. So if you do the calculations of this determinant, then you will get the area under this, inside this triangle. So I hope that this video helps. Thank you very much.